Working outside in hot or humid weather without breaks, shade, or hydration can cause heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Heat exhaustion happens prior to heat stroke, which is much more serious. With heat stroke, the body's core temperature gets too high and can't cool down. In extreme cases, when internal temperatures reach 103, and if potassium levels are low, the heart can stop beating. Hundreds of people die each year from heat stroke in the U.S. Common causes of heat exhaustion and heat stroke include high air temperature and high humidity, hard physical activity, insufficient fluid intake, full body, non-breathable clothing, low air movement, not acclimatized to heat, and not enough breaks. States have protocols to protect workers from heat exhaustion and heat stroke. California OSHA, for example, has special regulations on heat stroke because it used to be a major cause of death in the Central Valley. They require 2 weeks of acclimatization to hot weather. Here are some things we should do to protect ourselves. Drink plenty of fluids the day before work. Do not come to work dehydrated. You won't catch up on hydration. Take breaks. The length and frequency of breaks depends on the temperature and humidity. Higher temperatures and humidity require longer or more frequent breaks. Stay in the shade, preferably seated. Use proper engineering controls at the job site, such as ventilation, air conditioning, or personal cooling devices. Stay hydrated. Plain water is best, but you can drink coconut water, water with electrolytes, or milk. Potable water is always required by OSHA at any work site. Cool water mixed with electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, chloride, and sodium is preferred. You can get electrolyte powders at grocery stores and pharmacies. When working in the heat, drink 1 cup or 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes. Drinking smaller amounts more often is better than larger amounts less often. OSHA recommends a maximum of 1 liter of water per hour. Too much water is potentially fatal. Provide supplied air respirators with vortex tubes and wear a cooling vest if possible. Don't drink alcohol or caffeine, and no salt tablets because salt dehydrates. Despite our best efforts, heat exhaustion or heat stroke can still happen, so it's important to recognize symptoms and begin proper treatment immediately. For heat exhaustion, symptoms include cramps, fatigue and weakness, fainting, pale, clammy skin, excessive sweating, and vomiting. For treatment, sip water if not vomiting, apply cool, wet cloths, lie down, leave the hot area, medical alert. For heat stroke, symptoms include dizziness, confusion and delirium, hot, dry skin, nausea, severe headache, coma or death. For treatment, cool down, don't give stimulants, lie down, leave hot area, remove clothing, medical emergency. Now, a quick review. What can we do to prevent heat exhaustion and heat stroke? Allow our body to acclimatize to the high temperature. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid caffeinated drinks or alcohol. Take plenty of breaks and use proper engineering controls.